Hi there, I'm Felix. I'm the founder of Domino Chinese, and I'm going to go through a typical study week here at Domino Classroom for a student. Okay, so let's jump into a Monday. This week, we're supposed to finish Chapter 10 of the intermediate course. Every day, students take about 45 minutes to go through a lesson on our website. When students are done, the words learnt will be automatically moved to the review part of our platform. Here, you use flashcards to review what you've learnt. This takes a student about 15 minutes a day. You'll also be given exercises to help you solidify what you've just learnt. We have tons of exercises, some where you have to drag and drop, some where you fill in the blanks, or just simply write down your own answer. For every lesson study, we've also written dialogues that you have to either listen to or read and then interact with, either by answering questions or filling in some blanks. We even have voice recognition. We're very thorough with our learning, so we've made one grammar entry for each grammar point that is discussed in the current chapter. You can read about it or watch a video. Then you need to answer some questions to prove that you understand it. All in all, the exercises and the grammar points should take no more than 30 minutes every day. Typically, you then repeat the study routine every day from Monday to Friday, but of course, you can do more over the weekend if you prefer that. However, the weekly goal is to finish 4 lessons, which makes up one chapter, in this case, chapter 10. At least 2 times a week, which you have decided with your teacher, you should join a practice class. This is where you get to practice what you've just learned with your teacher and some classmates. Every session is about 1 hour long. Once a week, all the students should join what we call a review class, during which the teacher goes through chapter 10 in this case. We cover all the vocab, all the grammar, and it's also a great chance to get together and discuss everything in group. Based on our students' performance over the week in class and with the exercises, we're able to pinpoint our students' weaknesses and shift our focus to what's really necessary during this class. The review class is once a week and it's about 1.5 hours long. And that there for you is a typical study week for a Domino Classroom student.